Hell yeah, dude. Sweet. Yeah, I kept getting hit from the center.
Oh yeah, well,
when I got
up there. I was waiting for them to get distracted. Because I knew, like I heard when the gunshots were firing that way, I was like, yes, that's my chance. Yeet!
Yeah, I came up the middle and I started laying into this building and all into that area over there trying to, because, I mean, that was like twice from the middle I got shot from.
I got 2 flags. I got the one at the bottom.
Hell yeah,
first,
dude.
And then I was like, I wanted to get the one in the middle just to see if I get lucky. It didn't work. And then I was like, you know what? All right, I'm just gonna go for the top one.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, that was a good game. Whew, I got my blood pumping though. It's always the first like match. I'm like, like I need an oxygen machine or some shit. Yeah, it'll get better after. It'll get better as the day goes. No shit, because they keep coming out with shit like constantly, and I want every gun.
I want every gun too. I honestly want a gun that I can rely on forever. This
is the one that I used it as an AEG.
Oh, it's the Lance Factor. Nice.
Yeah, it's the Pro line. But man, I ain't never had no trouble out of this. And then I finally just HPA'd it.
Nice.
Hell yeah,
man.
man.
That guy that got you out when you first went in that rush, he told me, he's like, man, is that you have to do it? I said, yeah. He goes, right there.
Oh, shit.
I got him right in the mouth. He was right there at that bunker behind it, and he had his head poked up.
Hell yeah.
I hit him right in the goggles.
Sweet, man.
I was like, man, I'm sorry. I was like, but that's the only thing you gave me. He goes, no.
Hell, I'd rather get hit in the goggle. That shit don't hurt at all, you know?
Makes your ears.
It'd be better. I'd take it before the neck. Yeah, you was here yesterday, wasn't you?
I got a point blank literally from Rudy. Yeah. I got the buildings right there. And I mean, it was, it damn near stuck in my neck. Even Sandy was like, that's like the worst thing I've ever seen.
Hell yeah. So what's your name?
I'm Sergio.
Sergio? Hell yeah. What's your name, man?
Saul.
Saul?
Are you in?
Hell yeah. Nice to meet you, man.
Yes. Okay. I think I've seen. Okay.
You were here yesterday, right?
Yeah, I was.
Oh, this is the dude everybody was calling Rambo.
Oh, yeah.
Because he literally like was jumping over the barriers and shit.
You got about how many guys on there?
I think about 12.
It's a short team, but I like it.
Yeah. There's only like 4 of us here today. But, I mean,
Yesterday the other half was here. Mark was reffing. Hell yeah. I'm going to try to run and get the flag. And then I'm going to try to fall back to the back bunker if I can. Hell yeah. Because I feel like if you don't get it right off the bat, it's really hard to get.
The middle one we could get because I came in like 10 minutes in, and that managed to carry, but yeah, the middle.
Hell yeah.
The sniper got 2 picks, I think.
I kept getting nailed from the center. Like when I'd get up to the yellow, they were up so far that they just shoot straight across and get me, man. But it's cool though. He got him out, I think. That dude with her, Joey. Oh, this run's a little harder. It's uphill.
You gotta watch out from the center. There's gonna be 2 guys. They're gonna shoot the fire. So.
I'm gonna try to fall back, like behind the wall. And then if like one of us takes one corner and the other one takes the other corner, maybe we can, unless they jump directly under the wall.
Top flag blue.
Hey, can I fall back? Hit. Middle. Damn.